For this exercise, we're going to do some leg rolling to start to get the low back, the SI joint, and your ilium, so like your hip bones starting to move, twist, turn, just like we would if we were walking. We need good rotation to that area to make your back and hips healthy. So what we're going to start with is arms are going to be down by your side, okay? And so we don't roll onto the arm that you're using. We're going to take, in this situation, your right arm and move it out to the side. So we're going to get it out of the way so we don't roll on it. And we're going to take this leg and we're going to lift it up just high enough that it can clear this other leg. And you're going to start to take it across your body while staying as relaxed as you can until that knee and foot, so bend the knee more, make it all the way to the ground, and then you're going to bring yourself back. Okay, it may feel like your neck and head and shoulder want to come along for the ride, which is totally fine, but we're just trying to get the pelvis to twist and turn here. So we want to keep this leg as low as we can, so we don't want to bring it up very high. So you're trying to touch the floor as quick as you can. Don't try to bring it up to your hip. There you go. Good. So keep that as low as we can. If for some reason that feels like it's painful or uncomfortable, you can switch this ever so slightly. So we'll bring the knee all the way up to your hip joint to start, and then roll across from there. And that should get rid of the little bit of discomfort you were potentially having there, which should give you a nice little tweak to the roll so you can keep making sure you loosen that hip up so we can get moving.